Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the Chromecast, USB power, and a TV HDMI slot. First, plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port. Make sure it sits securely. Then attach the USB power cable to the Chromecast and plug the other end into a USB port on the TV or a wall adapter. You do this because the device needs stable power to boot. Once powered, it will display a setup screen. Next, pick up your phone and open the Google Home app to continue. You'll now pair the Chromecast with your phone. Open Google Home, tap the plus sign, and choose to set up a new device in your home. The app will scan and find the Chromecast. Once it appears, confirm the 4 or 6-digit code shown on the TV so you know you're connecting to the correct unit. After confirmation, follow prompts to select the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Make sure your phone stays on the same network. This is why the device requires local network access. You're almost done. Finish any account prompts, give the Chromecast a name, and allow optional updates. Once setup completes, test by opening YouTube or another casting app and tapping the cast icon to send video to the TV. This verifies audio, video, and network. If casting fails, power cycle the Chromecast and router, then retry. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active. If problems persist, try moving the router closer or using a different HDMI port to rule out interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.